Hi there guys, and today's video we're going to be talking about how to start a simple affiliate marketing business for beginners. Yes, and I want to keep this really simple. I want to keep this newbie friendly. Yeah, so I'm assuming that you're not some top marketer, that you don't know all about this conversion pixels and testing and algorithms and all this sort of stuff. You're just a relatively new marketer. You've got a lot of time on your hands now with everything that's going on. So you want to think to yourself, how can I get involved in this? I've been wanting to do this for a while. How can I get involved in this? But as simple as possible. Yeah, I done a video the other day where I spoke about traffic and why it's important to get a lot of traffic. Traffic is important. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business. Yeah, and traffic basically is just getting people to whatever things you're offering so that you make some money. So if you haven't seen that video, go and have a look on my YouTube site, because there'll be a video about explaining what all this traffic stuff is. But today I want to talk about just starting with a simple system and what that simple system needs to have in order for you to start profiting from this affiliate marketing thing. What you need when you get involved in affiliate marketing, really at an early stage, I wouldn't try and put the whole thing together myself. I wouldn't try and build my own affiliate marketing system because it takes a lot of work. You need to go out there and build pages, what we call opt-in pages, build nice sites, do videos, conversion videos, sales videos. You need to know about persuasion. You need to know about copywriting. There's a lot you need to learn if you want to go out there and make your own product. So initially, I would say sell somebody else's product. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can sell somebody else's product and still make commissions, good enough commissions to live on. In fact, better than normal commissions here to live on. So I would say get started with that. So you go out there and you find a system. Find a system that you personally would buy from. Go through the system, look at the sales pages and think, would I buy from this? If you say yes, then that's the sort of thing you want to get involved in. Now, when we get these systems, yeah, so one of the things as well is they have these beautiful pages, what we call opt-in pages. If you get somebody to that page and they give their email address, the second thing you want to be able to also keep that email address as well as the owner of the system or the product keeping it as well. Some of these done for you systems, what happens is you go out there, you get the traffic, they get the email address, but then they keep that email address, and yeah, they keep marketing to the person and hopefully they get a sale from the person. But now you're not building what we call a list. You want to build your own list so that you can keep talking to the person as well. Yeah, so that's important. Make sure it has that you get to keep that email address. Yeah, if you've gone out there and bought traffic and got that email address, you want to get to keep it. Then, so if you've got this lovely system that converts and can make you money, so that if you spend, say, $1, it should be able to give you at least $1 back, maybe even more. Yeah, so if you get that, that means that the system works. So now you need to get traffic to it. You need to be able to bring people to it. And traffic is the one that really a lot of people mess up. There's two forms of traffic. There's either free traffic. Now, free traffic is things like blogs, like writing an article. We call it SEO, and that takes time. It takes time to learn that. You've got to build up a site. You've got to get a site with authority. Yeah, and that takes time. Also, maybe even YouTube videos. But again, that takes time. It takes time to build up the authority. You know, the free stuff takes time. So what I advise people to use paid traffic, you know, but not paid traffic where you have to go out there and learn it yourself at this stage. You know, don't go out there and start to learn Facebook algorithms and all this sort of stuff, or YouTube ads, because it's not as simple as, you know, you've got to do a lot of testing to make it work. Yeah. What you should do, ideally, is use a paid, some sort of paid system where the person's already done the testing. So say YouTube ads. The person's using the YouTube ad, yeah, so let's just call it the guru for now, yeah. They're using the YouTube ad to actually get traffic and to get sales in their system. If they then let you use that same ad and you can also get the buyers and get the sales, then that's good. You know, okay, there's going to be a little incongruence because the person is going to be there. It's like you using my ad, yeah? It's going to be my face. So you then have to potentially not show your face along the buying channel. We call it a funnel, yeah, but so what you must do then, you use their system, but you get the leads and you get the sales. Same with the Facebook. They got Facebook ads. Yet they let you use their exact Facebook ads. You get the leads, you get the sales. Yes, this is what you want if you're going to use paid traffic. or the last way is, I mean, just let me go back to that very quickly. Most people, when they're selling a system, they don't allow you to do that. They do that. And then they say, we will train you on how to do that. We'll train you on how to do your own Facebook ads. And this is why a lot of people, as a beginner, it's difficult. You know, it takes time to learn that. It takes a lot of testing. It takes a lot of money, actually. You got to test this and test this till you find a winning formula. You want to use their formula. Yeah, they can plug you into their own formula that's already working. Or finally, if you're going to use paid ads, I would say use solo ads. And, you know, you've probably heard me say before, I don't like solo ads. But why I don't like them is because 80% of solo ads are crap. Yeah, but if you can find the 20% that's working, if you can find the 20% that the actual gurus themselves are using, because most people say, yeah, go out there and use solo ads, but I'm not telling you the solo ad person that I personally use to get sales. You know, if they give you access to their traffic that they personally are using to get sales, then that's a good system, because if they're getting sales with it, there isn't any reason why you yourself shouldn't get sales with it. And so that's what I say, start off small like that. Use their paid services, but also learn the free services as well. And so when they combine, you now have a juggernaut of people and sales and leads, and then you make the money. And then lastly, when you're selling a product, you probably, most of these systems, they sell the product and it's a small product at the front end. Usually it's like $7. Yeah, you should get all of that. You should get 100% of that. You should get all of that $7. And then they sell another one on the back end, which is usually something like $1,000 or, you know, $500 to $1,000. You should maybe get half of that. Now, if you have all those elements, then really it makes your life so much easier. And as long as you just follow what people tell you. If you have a system like that, so a done for you system that has all those things, then your chances of success really, really skyrocket. Yeah. So a good system that would convert, that you personally would buy from, has a front end offer, $7 or whatever, that you get all of, and they have traffic, paid and free, but the paid one, they let you use the exact same things that they're using. You know, then your chances then go up. Listen, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from this. So listen, this is the best time, I think, to get involved in affiliate marketing. You know, because like, especially a done for you system, something that I've been talking about, because you have time on our hands at the moment, and it's worth it. It's a good time to actually try it to see if it's going to work for you. Listen, if you want to have a look at the exact same thing that I'm personally using, you know, which it has all these elements I just spoke about. It has it all. You can actually use their traffic, which is the most important bit. Then if you want to have a look at it, then I'll leave a link below this. You can just click on that and get access to it. Actually, below this video, I'm going to give you a free training that's giving you completely free access to the things I think you need when you're doing affiliate marketing. You need that. It's very, very important. So there's free training on that. And then later on, if you want, you can have a look at the offer as well. All right, guys, listen, thanks for listening. If you have any questions, any comments at all, just leave it in the comments below. If you got some value from this, just give it a thumbs up. And till next time then, take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.